Denmark, a small nation in northern Europe, is a land of striking contrasts and serene beauty. Though small in size, it boasts a rich tapestry of landscapes that tell the story of its geological past and natural splendor. A country sculpted by glaciers and the sea, Denmark's terrain is a testament to the powerful forces of nature that have shaped it over millennia. The glaciers carved out its rolling hills and deep fjords, while the relentless sea has continually reshaped its coastline. Imagine a land of rolling hills, verdant forests, and a coastline that stretches for thousands of miles. These landscapes are not just picturesque, they are living, breathing ecosystems that support a wide variety of flora and fauna. This is Denmark, a country where nature's artistry takes center stage. Every corner of this nation offers a new scene of natural beauty, from the tranquil countryside to the rugged coastlines, from the windswept dunes of the west coast to the dramatic cliffs of Mons Klint. Denmark's landscapes are a testament to the power of nature. The west coast dunes, shaped by the wind, create a unique and ever-changing landscape, while the cliffs of Mons Klint stand as a dramatic reminder of the country's geological history. Its forests, ancient and enchanting, are home to diverse wildlife. These forests are not just a haven for animals, but also a place of peace and reflection for those who wander through them. The dense canopy and the rich undergrowth create a world that feels both timeless and alive. Crystal-clear lakes and meandering rivers reflect the sky, creating a sense of peace and tranquility. These bodies of water are the lifeblood of the Danish landscape, providing habitats for countless species and offering serene spots for human visitors to relax and rejuvenate. Denmark's natural beauty is undeniable. It is a country where the landscapes invite you to explore and discover their hidden secrets. Whether you are hiking through a forest, sailing along a fjord, or simply sitting by a lake, the beauty of Denmark's nature is always present. It's a country that invites you to slow down, breathe deeply, and reconnect with the natural world. In Denmark, the pace of life is slower, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in the beauty that surrounds you. The natural world here is not just a backdrop but an integral part of daily life. So, let us embark on a journey to explore the breathtaking nature of Denmark, captured in stunning 4K detail. From the smallest flower to the grandest landscape, every detail is a testament to the beauty and power of nature. Join us as we discover the wonders of this remarkable land, where every view is a masterpiece and every moment is an invitation to connect with the natural world. Denmark is embraced by the sea, a nation where the ocean's touch is never far away. The coastline stretches for thousands of kilometers, offering a diverse and breathtaking array of landscapes. Its coastline, a captivating tapestry of sandy beaches, dramatic cliffs, and sheltered inlets, is a testament to nature's artistry. Each stretch of shore tells a different story, from the serene to the spectacular. Picture yourself strolling along the white sands of the North Sea coast, the wind in your hair and the sound of waves crashing against the shore. The rhythmic pulse of the ocean is both calming and invigorating, a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of daily life. Or perhaps you're kayaking through the calm waters of a fjord, surrounded by lush greenery. The fjords of Denmark are tranquil havens, where the only sounds are the gentle splash of your paddle and the songs of birds hidden in the trees. The Danish coastline offers endless opportunities for exploration and adventure. Whether you're hiking along rugged trails, discovering hidden coves, or simply soaking in the panoramic views, there's always something new to experience. From the windswept dunes of Skagen, where the North Sea meets the Baltic, the landscape is ever-changing and full of surprises. Here you can witness the unique phenomenon of two seas converging, a sight that leaves a lasting impression. To the charming fishing villages dotting the coast, there's something for everyone. These villages, with their colorful houses and bustling harbors, offer a glimpse into Denmark's rich maritime heritage. The local seafood is a must-try, fresh from the ocean and bursting with flavor. As the day draws to a close, the coastline transforms once again. Imagine watching the sunset over the water, the sky painted in hues of orange and pink. Gather around a bonfire on the beach, sharing stories under a canopy of stars. The Danish coast is not just a place, but an experience, a journey through nature's wonders and human history. Step into the heart of a Danish forest and you'll feel as if you've entered a fairy tale. Ancient trees, their branches reaching towards the sky like gnarled fingers, create a canopy of green. Sunlight filters through the leaves, casting intricate patterns on the forest floor. Listen carefully, and you might hear the rustling of leaves as a deer darts through the undergrowth, or the melodic song of a bird high in the branches. Denmark's forests are havens of peace and tranquility, where you can escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Denmark is a land of lakes. Over 400 islands grace its waters, each one a miniature world unto itself. Imagine gliding across a still lake, the reflection of the sky mirrored perfectly on its surface. The air is fresh and clean, and the only sound is the gentle lapping of water against your boat. Denmark's lakes are not just beautiful, they're also teeming with life. Fish dart through the reeds, dragonflies dance above the water, and birds call to each other from the trees that line the shores. Section 5. The Cliffs of Mons Klint. A Journey Through Time. Mons Klint, on the island of Mon, is one of Denmark's most dramatic natural wonders. This stunning location is a geological marvel, drawing visitors from around the world to witness its breathtaking beauty. The cliffs stand as a testament to the incredible forces of nature that have shaped our planet over millions of years. Imagine towering white cliffs, plunging 400 feet into the turquoise waters of the Baltic Sea. The contrast between the stark white chalk and the vibrant blue sea creates a mesmerizing sight that is both serene and awe-inspiring. It's a place where the land meets the sea in a dramatic and unforgettable way. These cliffs, made of chalk, are a testament to the power of nature over millions of years. The chalk itself is composed of the remains of tiny sea creatures that lived and died in ancient oceans, their bodies accumulating over eons to form these towering structures. Each layer of chalk tells a story of a different era in Earth's history. Walk along the cliff tops, and you'll be treated to breathtaking views of the coastline. The path winds along the edge of the cliffs, offering panoramic vistas that stretch as far as the eye can see. It's a place where you can feel the wind in your hair and the salt in the air, a place where you can truly connect with nature. Look closely, and you might find fossils of ancient sea creatures embedded in the chalk. These fossils are remnants of a time long past when the area that is now Denmark was submerged beneath a vast ocean. Each fossil is a window into the distant past, a glimpse of the creatures that once swam in these ancient waters, a reminder of a time when Denmark was submerged beneath the waves. The fossils found here are not just scientific curiosities, they are pieces of a larger puzzle that helps us understand the history of our planet. They remind us of the ever-changing nature of the Earth and the incredible journey that life has taken over millions of years. Section 6. Roldskov, the Enchanted Forest of Legends. Roldskov, in northern Jutland, is Denmark's largest forest. This ancient woodland is a place of mystery and enchantment, where legends and reality intertwine. Explore its depths, and you'll discover hidden springs, ancient burial mounds, and trees that have stood for centuries. According to folklore, trolls and fairies roam the forest at night. Section 7. The Wild Heart of Denmark, Molsbjerge National Park. Molsbjerge National Park on the Djursland Peninsula is a microcosm of Denmark's diverse landscapes. Here you'll find rolling hills, heather-clad moors, dense forests, and a rugged coastline. The park is home to a wide variety of wildlife including red deer, foxes, badgers, and over 100 species of birds. It's a place where you can truly immerse yourself in nature and experience the wild beauty of Denmark. Section 8, where eagles soar and seals bask, wildlife in Denmark. Denmark may be a small country, but it boasts a surprising diversity of wildlife. From the majestic white-tailed eagles soaring high above the forest to the playful harbor seals basking on the rocks, there's always something to marvel at. Keep an eye out for red deer in the forest, otters playing in the rivers, and bats flitting through the twilight sky. And if you're lucky, you might even spot a beaver, a testament to Denmark's successful conservation efforts. Section 9. A Green Nation. Denmark's commitment to nature. Denmark is a nation that takes pride in its natural heritage. The country is committed to preserving its environment for future generations. Over 13% of Denmark's land area is protected, and the country has set ambitious goals for renewable energy and sustainable development. When you visit Denmark, you'll notice a deep respect for nature. From the wind turbines dotting the countryside to the cycle paths that crisscross the land, sustainability is woven into the fabric of Danish life. Section 10. Exploring the natural wonders of Denmark. Denmark's natural beauty is best experienced firsthand. Whether you prefer to explore on foot, by bike or by boat, there's a way for everyone to connect with nature in this Scandinavian gem. Hike through ancient forests, cycle along scenic coastal paths, or kayak through peaceful lakes. Pitch a tent in one of Denmark's many campsites, and wake up to the sound of birdsong. Section 11. Denmark, a tapestry of natural splendor. Denmark is a country where nature's artistry takes center stage. From its dramatic coastline to its enchanting forests, its tranquil lakes, and its diverse wildlife, Denmark offers a sensory feast for nature lovers. Come and experience the breathtaking beauty of this Scandinavian gem for yourself. You'll leave feeling refreshed, rejuvenated, and inspired by the wonders of the natural world.